Application of frequency converter in general machine tools. For some common drilling and milling machine lathes, some install frequency converter, some do not install. Then what is the role of frequency converter play in these machines? 1. Soft start. Allows the motor to start at a gradually increasing speed. Extends the service life of the motor and other related equipment. 2. Step-less speed regulation. Frequency converter can provide continuous adjustable speed range, facilitates precise control. 3. Simplified control. That makes the machine tool in some control aspects simplified, easier to operate. 4. Motor protection. For overcurrent, overvoltage, overload, etc. Frequency converter will alarm, ensure equipment can be used safely. 5. Controllable acceleration and deceleration. In the process of acceleration and deceleration, you can use a frequency converter. Set the time of acceleration and deceleration, thereby improving safety performance.